Good morning. Let's make breakfast. Corned beef and hash. So yesterday I did a video on this because I wanted to find out, who knew about this, because this was a very delicious breakfast. So I'll link that in the description, and let's get to the first way. I believe I'm going to do a couple of these different ones over the next week because I actually got some good responses on this stuff. So let's give this one a try. Let's fry this up with some eggs. Now, right out of the can, it doesn't look appealing. I mean, it's just, that's what it is, but the smell's pretty good. We're going to get about a couple tablespoons of oil and put about half a can in here. We're going to fry this up really nicely. All right, while that's frying up nicely, let's take some cackleberries, scramble them up really good. So that's about how I like it right there. A little bit of crisp. You take your eggs. Some cackleberries. And you're going to kind of scramble them into it like an omelet. So top it with a little bit of cheese, and there's your breakfast. I mean, that is delicious right there. Scrambled up, good little hash breakfast. Now you could fry up that hash, put it on a plate, and drop a couple fried eggs up on top, and there you go there. Or you can wrap it up in a tortilla and make it travel size. You guys stay safe.